Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Raro Lae, and I am about to do my corrective treatment and my hip flips with the Elite Body Sculpture. I am so excited because I've wanted this forever. Today, I'm excited because this is going to be so life-changing for me, and especially on my journey to the wedding day. You know, a girl got to be smashed, honey. So once I come out of here, you guys are going to see a whole other person. I'm so excited. This is something I've wanted for a long time, so woo! Oh my gosh. I wear comfortable clothes because I just want to make sure that I'm comfortable after the procedure as well. Air sculpting, it doesn't involve like scalpels or needles or anything like that. However, I do think it's imperative for me to be comfortable after the procedure. So, had something cute, had my cell phone gear on, so we're about to head in.
All right, guys, so here we go. So right now, I'm just checking in. Once I entered Elite Body Sculpture, they took my temperature, signed me in, and then I was doing the regular paperwork. So we're just gonna breeze through this part because as fun as paperwork is, I know y'all came here for the goods. So now I'm just getting weighed in, and then I'm gonna have my blood pressure and my vitals taken, just making sure that I'm 100% A-okay for this procedure. And Lord knows I was ready. While I was waiting, they went ahead and dropped a care package inside. So, you know, I had to be nosy and see what exactly was in the bag. All right, let's get into this.
Oh, okay, yeah, so this will be really good for when I get home because there'll be slight drainage, but I think that only lasts a day. And then the recovery foam to put inside. That'll be amazing. What else do we got in here? Okay, so an antiseptic and microbial skin cleanser. We have a scrub in here. So I think a lot of this is for the aftercare stuff. There's like some pads in here. So, okay, so this is the aftercare after your first shower and after you've had a fat transfer post-procedure. So those are a lot of necessary things inside of here that I'm going to need. So this is good. I'm actually happy that they gave this to me because I was wondering if I'd have to. But it seems like Elite Body Sculpture has everything on lock. And so this is making me feel really comfortable just because they have everything just so ready for me for the after procedure.
So can we have a moment of silence for Raro 1.0 because this is the last time you'll be seeing her.
Doctor just came in and marked me up. You guys can't see the other marks, but you'll see it later. I am so excited. I cannot believe this is finally happening. I have for the longest time just always had certain issues that I did not like about my body, and I tried everything. I tried cool sculpting, I tried a whole bunch of procedures, but they just did not give me the results that I wanted. So I am really excited because y'all, when I come out, I'm gonna be a brand new woman. And please guys, act normal, don't act weird. It's still just me, Raro Lae. So y'all act the same.
So at this point, I had about 5 minutes to go, and I would be lying if I told you guys I was not nervous, you know, and a little bit anxious, but I was so excited. But amidst all that excitement, I had to make sure that I said a prayer real quick. One thing I loved is that they let you pick the music that you were able to listen to during your procedure. So wait just a second because you guys are about to hear that, and you're about to hear what type of music I selected. And, you know, they just did everything at Elite to make you so comfortable.
So, what were you praying about?
So just praying for a successful surgery, of course, no complications at all. And just for me to be allowed to be calm and not anxious because my heart is thumping a little bit right now. So just trying to get just in the right mindset, covering myself with the blood of Jesus, of course. So yeah, just it's go time. It's about to happen. Like I'm about to come out snatched. Everyone's gonna be like, who's this? I think the coolest thing about it is the fact that I'm able to be awake. So it just makes me feel like 100% more comfortable while this is happening. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Hello.
Oh, nice to meet you, Raro.
Nice to meet you as well.
How are you doing?
I'm doing really good. I'm actually quite comfortable. It legitimately feels like a massage. So I'm really comfortable. I'm excited.
Thank you. I'm so happy to hear that.
Yeah.
Let me ask you the most important question of the day.
Hi.
What kind of music are you listening to?
So right now, I'm actually listening to some gospel music just to keep me cool, calm, and collective during the entire time.
Nice. Okay. So that's a really important question because you're wide awake.
Yeah.
And how much pain would you say you've had so far?
So right now, I honestly am not in any pain at all. It's been really, really comfortable. And so just honestly relax. The doctor is kind of walking me through everything that's happening. So it's allowing me to feel even more comfortable just because I know what's going on. And just everyone's so personable here. So it's really cool.
Thank you. And Dr. Machete, how many cc's have you gotten out of her tummy so far?
Out of her stomach, we're done with the front part, and we got about 1,500 cc's of really good fat. And
We have 1.5 liters out of her tummy?
yes.
But we haven't started her waist yet, huh?
Just the front part of her waist, and I was going to flip her over and finish up her waist. So about half of her waist is done.
If you want to put her on her side, you can do that, and I'll keep interviewing her. That's fine. Whatever works for you is,
Okay.
While we AirSculpt Raro, we want to ask her some questions. So, Raro, tell me about your journey.
I've done a couple other procedures before. I was doing cool sculpting and maybe got into 6 to 8 sessions, probably a little bit more. And so it really wasn't just giving me the ideal results that I really was looking for. And so I was able to research a lot about elite body sculpture and see this new innovative AirSculpt technique that is happening. And so once I saw that, I was sold, especially because it's minimally invasive. And I know that my results are going to be dramatic. I'm already going to be coming off the table, just really seeing this body that I've always wanted for my whole life, especially preparing for my wedding right now. I'm I have to be snatched.
Well, yes, you will be. So, I think Dr. Machete's doing your waist right now.
Yeah.
And as I've done many times before, I'm going to give to you the most snatched waist you've ever had in your life.
I am so excited for it.
So you're having AirSculpt right now.
Right now. And can you even imagine that I'm able to do a live right now? That's how comfortable it is that I'm able to be speaking, and it really just feels like I'm in a nice little spa getting a good massage, so it's pretty cool.
Can we see her fat? Let's take a look at her fat bucket. Have you seen your fat yet? Let's see. What do we got there?
Let me get over here a little bit.
There's 2 canisters there.
There's 2 canisters.
Okay, so you've had 8 sessions of cool sculpting, and we've already got 2 buckets going?
Yeah.
Whoa, okay. Hey, I have no comment on that, but that's the juicy fat. That's the real deal. You're going to have see, this is minimally invasive, but you're going to see it's maximally effective. You're already here.
I know. I'm so excited to be way skinnier. And I feel like the fact that I'm really targeting my problem areas where I have just struggled so much. I've tried everything and it just hasn't worked. And now I'm literally seeing the fat that I worked so hard to get rid of before but couldn't just coming out in front of me. And I think it's so amazing.
It's crazy, right?
Yes.
Hey! How do you feel?
Good.
I'll just leave this right here.
Oh, let me look at them. Oh, those are nice. Thanks, baby.
You're welcome, baby.
Oh my
How
god.
do you feel?
Great.
I imagine. I can already see the results.
Can you?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. I can't really like see back there, so I couldn't tell.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Nice to meet you. My name is
Likewise.
Arlene. I was her nurse today.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
and she was amazing.
Oh.
Thank you. I love that you finished all the drink.
Yeah.
That's great. And then we're going to give you a call tomorrow
Okay.
to just check up on you. And if you have any questions, we'll go over the post-op instructions one more time with you.
Okay.
Okay. I also give you this. It has everything written down that I just said.
Okay, awesome.
All right.
Thank you.
Bye.
How are you feeling walking?
I'm feeling good. It's actually, it's pretty comfortable walking and everything.
I'm just a precautionary measure.
Oh
You get a little loopy.
my god. So I did it! I have officially done my corrective treatment, the full abdomen, front and back. So right now, obviously, I'm in a lot of like compression stuff, a lot of different padding, but I'm going to be keeping you updated as to what my results are, how I'm feeling after, and really just kind of going through the entire process. But listen, new body, who's this?
We have a really exciting patient interview today named Raro, and we treated her on AirSculpt TV, and we were finally going to show her results. They're actually behind me. So here is her before, here is her 1 week, and here is her 1 month. She's now 2 months after, so we're actually going to see what she looks like now, which is super exciting. So I bet she looks way better than this. And I mean, this is 1 month, guys. I don't know what to tell you. So I'm really delighted to speak with Raro, and we'll get her on right away.
Hello.
Hi, Raro. Thank you so much for doing this. It's a pleasure to see you.
Absolutely. I'm so excited to be here.
I mean, have you seen these results?
Listen, I'm still in shock myself, but I'm so excited because I'm like, finally, I got the snatch figure. I'm so happy right now.
Well, I'm going to actually ask you to show everybody what you look like now that it's been 2 months. But before we do that, I want to just go over kind of your journey. So
Okay.
I understand, so you did this 2 months ago.
Yeah.
And you had something done before AirSculpt, is that right?
I did actually.
So your before is not really your before. You actually, right. So what did you have done?
So I had cool sculpting done and didn't exactly come out the way I wanted it to come out. I was actually pretty disappointed with my results and just kind of discouraged because I was like, okay, will I ever be able to fix this? Like, what's going to go on with this? So that's, even when I found out about AirSculpt, I was so excited, and it's just literally overnight tremendously such a difference. Just the best thing I've done so far.
Thank you.
Yeah.
How many sessions of close sculpting did you have?
So I had quite a few. I think somewhere around 8 to 10. So I had quite a few actually. Yeah.
Oh, whoa. Okay. So that's really interesting. I think it's really important that people watching understand that AirSculpt is always one and done. There's no session. These results that you have behind my head, that's one time and one time only.
Right. Exactly.
So, I love that. I mean, that's really important.
Yeah.
And another thing that goes along with that is, so first of all, how was your consultation?
So my consultation was good. Not gonna lie, when I first got in there, I was super nervous. However, the minute I got in there, everyone was so friendly, just kind of letting me know the ins and outs, telling me how I should expect the experience to be, and just really putting any type of like anxiety or stress I had initially going in to ease. And then the doctor just really recommended, okay, I already knew what I wanted, but he recommended like, okay, I think this would be a good fit for you. So it was really just walking me hand in hand throughout the entire process.
And remind everyone exactly what you had done. What areas did you have done?
Yeah, so I had my abdomen, full abdomen, as well as the back. and then I had my hip dips filled in as well. So I had a
So you
transfer.
had the hip flip.
Yes, I had a hip flip. Yeah.
I love it. Looks so good. I love seeing hip flip before and after. They look amazing. And by the way, your abs look incredible. Like,
wait until you see them now. They're getting better.
I can't wait. Well, I don't want to even see them yet. I want to ask you more questions first. What was the experience like having your procedure, having AirSculpt done? I'm sure you were nervous before you had it done.
Yeah. So, like I said, definitely was super nervous, naturally so, in the beginning. But once I got there, I was so surprised, like pleasantly surprised by how everyone was just walking me through everything, just putting my mind to ease. Once the process even started, it was virtually had to get that word fixed together, but virtually painless. I didn't feel a thing, and it was just like a vibration that I was feeling. But it was excellent. Like, I could dare say it was kind of fun, but I loved it.
It's supposed to be fun.
Yeah.
And then what about when you took off the garment for the first time and looked in the mirror? What was that like?
That was the best feeling ever. I think for the first 48 hours, I'm wondering, like, what is it going to look like? What's going to happen? Once I took it off, I was like, oh my goodness, so excited, because a lot of times, you know, I don't know if it's just me, but sometimes I have to turn this angle and this angle to like how I'm looking. But for the first time ever, I was like, oh wow, that's me. And I'm looking straight on. So it was an exciting feeling.
I love that. I love that. And a lot of people ask about recovery. So when did you go back to work, and what was it like afterwards?
Yeah, so honestly, within a day, I was up and moving about, cooking. I work remotely, but I have clients other places. So by the next day or 2 days later, I literally was already at client site. So I was so surprised how the downtime was virtually no downtime. And I was able to just go back to my regular life almost immediately.
And did you take prescription painkillers, or did you take ibuprofen afterwards?
So I think the first day I took prescription, but after that, I didn't really feel like I needed it. So I actually ended up flushing it down the toilet because I didn't really need it at all. Yeah.
Good. I love that. I love that. And would you recommend this to your friends and or family?
Oh, absolutely. I have been raving about this forever. One of my friends, she, a week later, went and signed up, already got her procedure done, loves her results already. But I have tons and tons of friends already signed up, did their consultation, and they're getting ready to make the big leap like I did.
Oh, that's great.
So
that's great. I love hearing that.
Definitely.
Thank you. It's beautiful. So now for the part I've been waiting for, and everyone probably is. Let's take a look. Let's standing up and turning around and showing us.
So let me push this camera back so you guys can get the full view.
This is 2 months after full ab and a hip flip with AirSculpt. Oh, whoa!
Yeah. So literally so flat.
Oh my God! This is way better than your 1 month.
Yep. So way better.
I am really impressed. I mean, I think you're ready basically for the Sports Illustrated swimsuit issue. I mean,
I'm thinking so. They need to put me in.
I think you should. I think someone should go on Instagram and go to @Sports Illustrated and be like, "Hello,
please."
Yeah. I'm ready for that, for our first hip flip to get into Sports Illustrated. I mean, you look perfect. So, and I think everyone
Thank you so much.